So you've probably heard about the Southside cocktail. Have you tried an Eastside? Keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a gin cocktail. It is a twist on the Southside. If you haven't tried a Southside before, check out the link at the end of this video. I do a Southside and a twist on a Southside, talk a little bit about the history. It is a delicious drink, and I think that this could even be a little bit better. The first ingredient that it calls for is 60 mils or 2 ounces of a gin. I'm going to use the Mary LeBone gin. This is 50% ABV, so it's going to be a very boozy cocktail. But I'm using this gin because it really punches through the other ingredients, and I really want to be able to taste that gin. Really, really great stuff. Give it a try. Okay, so next up then we need 2 wheels, which I've just diced up, of cucumber. And we're going to give that a little bit of a muddle, all right? We're just trying to get the flavor of the cucumber out of the drink there. Just really freshens it up. Perfect drink for spring, summer, autumn, fall, winter. We don't need an excuse to drink gin cocktails. The weather, we can just drink them whenever we like. Then we need 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 15 mils, half an ounce of sugar syrup. Last but not least, 3 or 4 mint leaves. I'm just going to break them up. I don't like muddling them in, so I'm just going to break them and going to shake them through the cocktail. So it is important to give it a really good shake. Oh, it smells really good already. Okay, we're going to double strain that into a chilled glass. And where is my... We're going to double strain that into a chilled glass. The reason I'm double straining is I don't want those pieces of mint and cucumber in my drink. Oh, it looks so good. Now, as far as garnish goes, you could do a wheel of cucumber. I like just a little mint leaf on top. This is the Eastside. Cheers. Oh, yum. It is so refreshing. It's boozy, right? But you can't tell. That cucumber works really well with the mint and the gin. It's very refreshing. It's in a way a little bit savory with that cucumber as well. That's what I love about this. You can drink this in winter, you can drink it anytime because that cucumber just has a little bit of a savory note. It's still warming, the gin's warming up, you know, my chest and my belly. You really need to try this cocktail. You could put this on a menu, you could twist it, whatever you like, but get out there, give it a try. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for everyone who's been watching our videos. We're nearly at like 160,000 views, which is amazing. Guys, thank you so much. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.